ye do ye kunu sin bibia na ma omu se oba no se odo kunu no esofa no na omu hwe mu ye ya na oba no de ne ho kwachi owo ne de mu ye no
enye eya liposuction so wakwachu srade afri ni enye no
enye no yo beka se no oboa sunsun asan.
Okay. Enkoma wa ohwe mesabre etuma GHS so sunsumo ehintasem ebre na edru se yede eba ebesummo ewo ba bibiara wo na mo amonim se eye nipa ya bra ba ye bo no sunsum efa ewo mo na mo na mo fade ewo mo bibia so ebesi esi wo honhom ansa na apie enikan esunenti ehu behia se de ekoso ana se de esisi hyebre mu no obetimi epin ede aben enkofo munim de watimi hu se wei eyade e ka me hyebre mu ana se eyade ayato ede ama mobeka ya some years ago Honorable Kennedy akompreko ohene Agyapong MP for Asin Central no akasa eye ne baby mama na woni no ewo honomo eno oto ananom ewo ensiedo na over years now no afei na chese emu enchirimu etimi ababeto abontia kame akoye se na chese ye Honorable mum na wo mo epeno na chese ne yire no edinity ekokwaje ye na ensem no de emu edo mamitwa mo ho emra ne ba edo mo esuko ede amam Yona odofo eni esedie ensem no etie eno na achese ya mami aye kana asemi eya liposuction yi ebi okobinfo ho na achese oye na adwese wo ko akwa ye vitamin tag ene eye de ye ma sebio ema wo mu futimi gina wo mo sagen eye hands ne tami etimi etight no nubi ena okoko ye nanso nemi no wo ekasai edem eye Hajia ajaratu ena ebie mu so chief mosima wo mama ye hu se debio se na enye eno enekuma me nemum bibi edi eye echi odofo omaye krado ewa hanu manu ntino ye ne wo mo eba bebo ensem no mu esuko wo adwintwe bi a watimi dia som ye comment section ho making kan ede amamo se de se na efata aja me makwaba
no
bibi aboko de
boko
chief makwaba
na prof that say somebody me chi no me said and teach papa
I was asking, hope everything is fine.
Everything is fine.
Okay, thank God.
Ciao, Bia.
Oh, Bia, Betsy. Hajia, Honorable Kennedy, akompreko Agyapong. Ni baby mama wo guye eno dodo na nim se obemfo wa wo call ye se wo kwa twen fat e won yem ai brofum ye beka ni se like section e de ka ho eno enekun no enne ya ti hu bi se enye anu na emum ye wona bompo na wo mo epe no ekunu no kra be ne wo mchire ye mu na yoko
mpacho yo me da wase na de kan me chia ahwefo bia
okay
de o hwe me ewo TV so tie me wo baby biara o bia me chia me nua no mba no me nua mba ma no me
okay
na de kind say Kennedy die na yire no wu 2 years ago nye say oko say no nufo say no two en na ku ebi nye no na omu hwe mu say Kennedy on na ebe ye second president na omu hwe
okay
on na omu hwe na kunu na o say ye mba de ye do ye kunu sin bibia na ma omu hu say oba no say odo kunu no esofa no na omu hwe mu ye ya na oba no de ne ho kwachi owo ne de mu ye no
enye eya liposuction so wakwachu srade afri ni enye no
enye no yo beka say no oboa sunsun asan
okay
sunsumo asa e ka sunsumo a because Kennedy said also ni o said also tie no nipa bi oye nipa bi a ope ya kan say ope na ope so ono so beye oman mu
mpanyinfo ni so be di eye oman so atoto no ma ye di ama oman akoso
na nipa bonefo no etinchen ena omo tie ne nan hwehwe bia onbanya na yina firo ena oman tim na ne yire ne di no ho akogye na so sunsumu ye de won nam sunsumu a asa obi o hokura ye timi de wonsa ebe bia ko bewu ye no wo nchen wo but enam say ye ne dara no ntino wodi wonsa kopim ne sit kakra bi no to for one so bi na dey ahye wo say asama si na ku so na enye onno na bibi hyase
aja asa ye beti wasi ya na chese ye enkrofo bi na bọọkọ a wo mo ne party ni mu ana say ye abusu ana say ye namfofo
omo so ewo party ni mu bi no
okay
eto sisi ya ekra no a make say Kennedy ti hoyi so tiemi a ana ohweme a ne didie mu ne nantie mu baby bia wodi ne nantie akosi biara ne nsuo mu a obemu mpo no eso ohweme wo yie because ni nyina echi no kra ye nyanja ne yiri na wu no kra echi still mun ta so tie ne nan mun ta so hwe ne chira kwa sunsumo ta to ohweme enne edue ya ese mint na hanka de akoso
okay
mint na ha enka ade a omoye ana se omoye ana epo omobo
okay
but se ohia on hwehwe me kire kwan
aja e baba oso chief say de Hajia de to abonten ama ye hunu se na te se pobi na ye bo de atia wona bona na ire de ni ti ekokwaje ye no ye sunsumu say ye pe obi anase say ye to obi de emma obi anase ye pe obi kra ye yi na flo kwan ba su na ye wo mutimi ye etimi sesa we kra de ma we na we yakwaji ni wu de ewu
oh me cha obia Ghana ha
okay
beto so me no me cha me na ye wona na bebre ye fi ho ye so ye sa wo hini bi ono na osimi hini
okay
ye cha o munyina ono oye overlord of the Mampuru
okay
ye papa bako ni na boaga ti anokre wo hwe Kennedy Agyapong asam no won say Kennedy Agyapong o kasa bebre ono so o kasa bebre and also on ta hide asam di ba pe ono bebi na ano akasa
okay
or to say justice special no so won say ya we are sisi a we are we na etina ono enya obia na epe alokore nipa bebre wo ho mo mpe alokore nti wo kasa no for time bia obia beka say we nipa bole nti Ghana ha ye nipa bebre hwese Kennedy Agyapong ye nipa boni ana opes o ha nipa ana opese wo ma nipa problems enya sa nipa no ye justice special and nipa bebre ahun yen spiritual people to say no ye yamfa say president na the embassy president the president that will come yes spiritual people no minimum obia bet ye bebre ye nim say president we na beba next
okay
nti asam bebre or nipa hu say time beba na obedan
obetu sana mo oh there me be can say me there means sana me dike kan me twi no me said and twi so we dey bro for correct me the fam
na nti he should just try and then free
okay
offer ye betima ka chano asam bebre na obedan onye na asunde aba bet inshallah obe osabe obe time be na obe present nipa bebre su ananti ahan almost still that's what ahan but the bisu wo ho yetina sa akasa no nipa obe won say nipa manamfo pastors fo konfo omo dɔɔso yɛ dɔɔso nti on say penyimfo na ɛka say wo ba ko nti na omo ko wo nyina nti o kasa obi betena ana ono kasa betima ati na o say o mala bebre omo kasa ana na bebre omo kasa pastor bebre omo kasa betan yɛhwi nti sa
mumu dia ne dia
they different bebe say mo onipa hwa ade onipa hwe ye babia ye djuma o hwe djuma no babia ti aye djuna ye na babia wo mo wo babia ye djuma no enye ko na eda but obi ofri outside USA Canada Ghana Nigeria ba Burkina ye ba tina ho aye djuma nti wo hwe ye family nyina babia ye tina ye sra no ye family adjuma na ye tina ho you share nema is total different. Yamba video so basa. Ota share nipa me viewers no mo share no bia share say ota hu e programs. Ye programs over.
Chief, masa about so me say one share dey nya no papa and farmer me. Hajia, e kwan ben so e na ye fa so e ton wo bi e de e ma wo bi. Asin say nipa mienu na o maba yesi we die ye pese ye nkuno na nipa na ye wo se ye nkuno no akwa fa echi na wadane ewo ne de ama eye obufo kwan be so na sunsun fam no moye no
yo wa bisasa sere sunsun asam eso fam se ye nipa mienu ye pe obi akunu na ye de na akọ no obi efa echire na wayi ewo na dia akoma ade nipa foforo because ohun say wo ewo na oyi ka yepe we ena ya dani ya nya na ya timi adani akọ we so ye hu say we ena ebe ne pa we nu na ono no sunsun no akoye bako
okay nti eno no kwan ben so na mo betimi de nya no eya diani mu ana eya den mo ba frɛ ne kra ana mo ba ne bibi ne honam bibi
ye ma obodin no
okay edin na de anye ne kra din
ana na bro kra din edin a ye wo no to ho
okay
edana ye wo no to ho ne kra dana ye wo no na ya se wo ba enene a dana ye wo no se ye benada Wasiera
ya
na
eno na di kind da
na so
okay
answer ti eno na ye be bisa
okay
na ya je asana yesu ye dia ye eduma
enti eno no moji a eye se mo be kuma bo a na mo de aye ana se sen
eno no ebi ho ye kum ye ma nipa no de ba ye se ye eduma ye ma ne pe enema be ba
okay
ansana ye dia ye eduma na yesu ye dia akọ ye bosom no na yesu ye su afre yesu fre so ye fre ye de Nyankopon din kan na ya fre ye nananom na mo ti ho no
okay
e ko ye gya ho ma ye no na ya fre o na ya kasa kire o e o aka de ye hia pesa o mo boye na yesu de ye eduma no
okay
na nipa no so de no ko hwehwe no na
sanati aka
okay
chief yan share said that woka said so obi ebe ya mampanya musunsumufo no muhunu na mutimi ema ye hunu say nipa we de obetimi aben we wontimi enye wo hwe eye 2024 agokansi a bekoso a na se eye pre a wo mo be pre mra hye bedwa akonya no a na se bie mu nsusu mampanya adwa no said ya enyoma ekon wo de eye won abo Kennedy akompakon Agyapong atoto yewura alankojo chematen na ebie mu so vice president Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia o sha wan elekura anasa wan na tumi di na che obetimi etimi ayeden enya eye franka tu no e de ama amanyoko
okay mama me that's it the all be some question no fine but ahano fidie so yentimi nka direct say we na ebeba ebi wo ho oti the way oti ye kasa no nde ya oti ye kasa no after program we na o frere per say who say the next president of the obeba Ghana present ye betima ka cho
e wo musa ba say ubetimi aka
ma explain na ma bi kakra mama end let me end anti yetina sisi ano ye di enye yankwa wo say benyifo ye nipa bi na ye ta fresh benyifo wizards omo bebre enya omo nyina omo bebre su wa Ghana ha anim say the next president be yesi yesu to say no ye to say assembly ye me to say no say we spiritual man na ye juma no matter how it is obey you had the eyes working when needs our eyes no won't me ye juma what you say yeah nim there bet my see yam fan say even Ghana most of the MPs na omo back on power ye nim bebre the next president no be back ye nim
intina me pesa enye se wo body by ebia ni pass ye do bet me ba benya mampani adwa no ebia ni su ne ban nyoma bi say na wo behunu say ni na ni pa no so simi
explain in English kakra ma me sometimes o say wo question no mental instead answer
like about the flag bearership no how would you know we want you to tell us who will win the flag bearership between Alan Kojo-Chamaten, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and Honorable Kennedy Akompre-Okun Agyapong. Between these three people, whom do you think would have the time or would get the flag bearership?
That one that I told you earlier.
You can't, but at least you can bring something out like some symbols and signs for you to know that this person is near. If he or she decide to do this or that.
Okay. You know, that three people is, you know, if 3 people, 2 people or 3 people or 5 people need something,
only one
let's say
get.
one will get.
Yeah.
What I would tell the viewers is that if you, whether MPP, any of their MP or any of their ministers or any of those 3 flag, those who are
contesting for the flag bearership.
You know that somebody, it can just stand that this person will win, and then we turn things, and then a different person will win.
How does it turn in the spiritual realm? That's what we want to understand.
In the spiritual, you know, in spiritually, you know that we have something that we call for girls.
Yeah.
We can. If somebody had this let's say dwarfs working, he can use dwarf to let somebody mind change.
Okay.
We can do things and then let people mind change at once. They wasn't need this person, but no matter how it is, the person, they will love the person first. You understand?
Okay.
That is why if you go to the person who have for girls medicine real, you see, it's just one work.
Okay.
He will do the work and then tell the people of the, let's say, whether the country or the district, they will just do works and then turn most of people
mind towards
the fellow, so that when they go, they will all vote for the person. Yeah.
Okay.
So sometimes, and that 3 people, we can't. That is why I was telling you, we cannot tell somebody on air that this person that will win.
But you know.
Yeah, we know.
Okay.
If somebody just called and then want to confirm, you understand, we can speak with the person and then tell the person, this person will win. And then as far as we are sitting here, very soon, there's a day that I will come here and then declare the president that it will come next.
Okay.
Next, just the 2024 coming.
Okay.
You hear?
Okay.
But it's not sometimes. There are some certain things, if you speak like that, most of people started, you know, consulting and then due to the politics.
Okay.
You see, most of MPP and then NDC, if you say this person will win, meanwhile we seen, we saw what is coming.
It's coming, okay.
So, whether we tell or we didn't tell, it will come.
Okay, Chief, thank you very much. Mommy, with what happened to Honorable Kennedy's baby daddy, can it repeat itself since they still targeted Honorable?
You explain to me for my sister.
So for you are English and we had she want the tree. But I tell me Busa say with a year they see Honorable baby mama no. Ne hono mo no. All those say ma me no edinity akwakoje edi amani kunu edie. And so still na no okon no eguso ewo hono Honorable betimi atowo mo trap mu ana say afiri hono.
Entime free hosa.
Okay.
Because one sorry Angina. Entime free hosa.
Also Angina says saying se ombra mo ho ana se e wonyo ma bi a wo se won ya wo betimi di ada na nyoma ani
se ofre a ye be kire ne kwan a be fa so a ono so be obe kun
okay
because yen timi tena ho yen timi nje kun na kun anasa ye kun na ono so akon bi
one question we ye nyina question but menti tree no ntina one say Kennedy Agyapong or is need to pray. Okay. They had the enemies. Ghana here, I can say, I don't know anybody, but Kennedy Agyapong now, the enemies that he's facing is not, there are many, a lot of people, you understand?
Okay.
Most of people thought that Kennedy Agyapong cannot win Ghana election. He can win Ghana election and then it will surprise to people. But he had even if he doesn't come to us, he should stand up and then pray.
Okay.
You understand? Ghana people, we don't need truth. If you are speaking true always, people always hate you. They think that what you are saying, people hate him.
Okay.
So he should stand up. Whether you will enter malams, you will enter pastors, you will enter let's say we are in traditional.
What's the difference between Malam and you, the traditions?
We are totally different.
Okay.
Our difference is if we like this, we used to satisfy things to our boss.
Okay.
We used to kill cows, fowls, and then goose.
Okay.
If you're checking our shrine, you always see sometimes we used to kill things. If most of people look at our shrine, you see that we had some things that always were certified with black.
Chief, our time is fast spent and we have to run up with with this issue. Mommy, with all that we have talked about, say obi per se hunu eye mo kira kwan ena ho na dwuma die ben so ena mo die because obi wo ho no wonim se wo bebe ye be ka che ne se wonye onfa eye we mra wonfa we mra afo ode ba kwakọ ba wie no na ne yare a wode ba ye no kra wanya eye ahon adua na still yare no kra kwakọ fafofo e de aka eye no ho ti sa place obi etie wa wa kira kwan e wo he na den eye apart from eye de mabobo so die biem enso so mutimi ye de boa ni pada sene bia
me pa choyo de edibona nye we nko a asama ye kan ye no nko a yesa yale bebre
yare no na wabobo bi so am
ebi e stroke
okay
yesa ho yale pa ebi e obi opa wo a onya
okay
eno so ye ho eduma pa bi o so be ma bi ho na okompa ho a within seconds na no ho asane eno so no ye wo ho eduro pa eno kura de approach for enyina umfre ema ye ndro ne send
okay
ana ye de sikadura de ye loto na mesi ye
kama gi sike bi no
de ye sa yale
sa e de no cry ni ho
yes sa yale obi a obeka se oji oye sikaduro oji ma loto na meso oboa ye ti ho kura no sofofo ye ntime mbugodi but sofofo ayefri akra as a last 2 weeks no kra no ba ko free abrochire e baaye sofo panyine pa e baaye ho but wo hwehwe ye kire kwan so a woduru tamale a e na obanya ye ho no ka ye frɛ ho gbanwu
okay
gbanwu woduru tamale ufaka afri ha so ofri akra kumase e hefa ba bia kro bia ofri sunyayo takrado a ofri o ufaka fatamaleka ubesi tamalea no wakase upe gbanwu no unya ka ne straight but ye be ma wafa wale ka na wa besi wo ho ansana ya kire na wafa pragia aba ye kuro no so ana ka plana na wafa besi kwan
okay
na ya be fa
okay okay
ndro and ye skadro de ye loto ye be ye say ya stroke ana obi atu edro wakotia so eno so ye obi ho o akumayale enkoda eno so no ye obi ho so no oton ade oton a ton eno so no ye
okay
eno so Yeah,
Musa.
Yes, yeah, ma, yeah, okay. Yeah, first bra. Na yamo. So count what the hiawa. Na ya chiro dia obeye. Uya wia. Na wo dia ba na ye mawa. Wo so kwa. Wa dance tie no. Na wo so dia ba. Na wo ba dance.
Chief.
Okay.
With what mommy also said, you wrap up with yours. What are the things you also do that help people so that they can also achieve or get what they want?
Okay, thank you. We are herbalists. If you come to northern region and then reach Bangun, and then you ask about Chief Musiman house, that is our grandfather name that we two stand. They even skinned me a chief because of the work. And then all these people, they are part of our family.
Okay.
There are elders there. If somebody brought a problem, all of us going together and then do the work for the person. Looking at it, you see most of the elders in our shrine. When you're looking at our shrine, you see many people there. If you bring problem to us, all of us going to sit and then do the work for you. And then we don't do money charming. We don't do money doubling. We don't do lotto number. But we do manage on koyim. Opa nema on koyim. Who are breaching penkrata, and now green card. And now per se, who unya post, and now per se, upe MP, and minister, and president. And now we are pastor, and open nipadom. And now we don't buy beda, nasisi, and now uba. Won't me yet do match. Yatashe nipa program bebre na omosi kwatikase adruni ho we asi wonnim bibi na waye tin ani kwanse o ka de wonnim o hwe sa kwatikase na adru ye nana omo
chief na obone tofa de amaye summarizing
ye wo eno wo o pese o kwate kase ye betima wo Ghana ha na abruchire ye send da dru ama abruchire then na upebia na wa ayadai afre your number no 054 948 2203 nti number no no na e sign WhatsApp line nti wo frɛ na ba na obetima ye hi eno number your number no ya ba ko pɛ 054 948 2203.
Okay, Chief, yabada was now order for I Chief Musima and the BM so Hajia Ajara to and I no more at the train a year and come more no. Now order for say a day and some no AC wahano no wait me I like videos no washem GD say and come to try a call a year a soy and no BB no no more wait me I de anya and I say pay BB now yent me and more would dear so wait me a friend and bomb to a year up no a son now no more at the train a year and come aha and I'm demo AC macram.